Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kaddevaru, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. Children, today we are going to continue with chapter 11, speed, distance and time. So let us begin with the chapter. Students, today let us solve some examples given in the worksheet. Question number 1. Annie walks at a speed of 10 meters per minute. How much time will he take to cover a distance of 1 kilometer 500 meters? So children, first let us write down the statements for the question. So speed is equals to 10 meters per minute, whereas distance is equals to 1 kilometer 500 meters. So this we can also write it as 1500 meters, because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters plus 500, we get 1500 meters. Now we have to find time. We don't know time, so time is given as distance upon speed. So distance is 1500 upon speed is 10 meters per minute. Now here we have in meters, here also in meters, so no need to convert it again. 10 gets cancelled. What is remaining? 150 minutes. So children, it is in minutes. If you want to convert it into hours, so what you need? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 2 hours will be 60 plus 60, 120. So I can write it as 120 plus 30 minutes. So 120 minutes is nothing but 2 hours and 30 minutes. So children, is this clear? Now let us move to next question. A plane leaves Jammu at 5 am and reaches Patna at 7:20 am. They have given the timing when it leaves and reaches. So to find the actual distance between Jammu and Patna, we have to minus both of them. So write the statement. Time taken is equals to, children, this is where it reaches to Patna and here it is leaving from Jammu. So when you minus this 7.20 and 5, so you get the answer. 0 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 0 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So 2 hours 20 minutes it takes to reach from Jammu to Patna. So 2.2 hours. You can also write it as 140 minutes. That is 2 hours is nothing but 2 into 60. That is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. This 20. 2 6 are 12 and this 0 plus 20. So totally time taken is 140 minutes. Is it clear? Flying at a speed of 600 kilometers per hour. So children, write the speed and then find the distance that the plane covers. Next you write speed is equals to 600 kilometers per hour. So children, but we have converted this one into minutes. So convert this kilometers per hour into again in minutes. So the question was 600 kilometers per hour, 1 hour. So 600 upon 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes again. So 600 upon 10, 10 gets cancelled, isn't it? 1 hour is 60 minutes. 10 gets cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 tens are 60. That is 10 upon 1. That is, this is in kilometers and this is in meters. So it travels 10 kilometers in 1 minute. I hope you are understanding, children. Now we got speed. Next you find distance. Distance is equals to speed into time. So what is the speed now? 10 kilometers per minute. So write 10 kilometers per minute into time taken is 140 minutes. So totally you get 10 into 140, you get 1400 kilometers. So children, is it understanding? Is it visible to you all? Okay. Next we have question number 3. Express A 20 kilometers per hour in meters per minute. So children, you have to convert the unit here from kilometers per hour to meters per minute. So let us solve it. So children, observe and listen to the video carefully. 20 kilometers per hour, that is for 1 hour. I am writing the units also. Now next step, for 1 kilometer how much meters you have? As you have to convert meters per minute, we have to convert this kilometers into meters. You already know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 20 kilometers will be 20 into 1000 meters divided by 1 hour. You have to convert it into minutes. So 1 hour contains how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 1 into 60. I hope this step is clear now. Okay. Next, 20 into 1000. You can multiply and then divide or directly divide. 1 0, 1 0 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Next, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 1 is remaining. So when you give here, it becomes 10. Again 3 3s are 9. Again 1 is remaining. It becomes 10. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 is remaining. Take point, give 0. Again it becomes 10. Again 3s are. So you get the answer 333.3 meters per minute. So children, is it understood? Okay. Now let us solve next one. Question number B. 72 kilometers per hour in meters per second. Children, note here, in the first one it was per minute. Here it is per second. Now start to convert kilometers into meters and hours into seconds. Again 72 kilometers per hour, that is 1 hour. Next what you will do? Again 72 into meters, that is into 1000 upon 1 hour. So children, 1 hour contains 60 minutes and each minute contains 60 seconds. So into 60 into 60. 1 0 1 0 gets cancelled. 1 0 1 0 gets cancelled. Next, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 1 remainder. 2 6s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Next, 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. What is remaining? 2 into 10, that is 20 meters per second. Is it understood? Okay.